My name's Nate Baglios. I'm the Director of Marketing for Cali Audio, and I'm here today at the Village Studios in Los Angeles to introduce the brand new SM-5 powered studio monitor. The SM-5 is the first powered speaker in our Santa Monica line of studio monitors. It combines Cali's proven three-way coincident architecture with industry-leading materials, components, and manufacturing techniques to deliver Cali's best loudspeaker yet. The SM-5 features a 5-inch woofer, a 4-inch mid-range, and a coaxial 1-inch metal dome tweeter. Power is delivered from a 225-watt Class D amplifier for a maximum SPL of 117 dB and low-frequency extension down to 39 Hz. Total harmonic distortion is less than 0.75% from 100 to 450 Hz and less than 0.5% above 450 Hz. The SM-5 is Cali's first speaker that allows you to customize DSP features. This lets you calibrate your speaker for your room, ensuring the highest possible level of translation for your mixes. Cali Audio is known for our three-way coincident loudspeakers, where we use separate drivers for the lows, mids, and highs, and the tweeter sits within the mid-range driver. We first developed this architecture for our IN series loudspeakers, which have won acclaim for their clarity, low distortion, excellent imaging, and unparalleled translation. The SM-5 takes all of these attributes and brings them to the next level. The woofer and mid-range driver add magnetic components like shorting rings. These help to eliminate magnetic flux and allow the drivers to operate in clean magnetic space. This ensures that the drivers are working efficiently and lowers distortion dramatically. The tweeter is a metal dome, delivering crisp high frequencies and snappy transients with low distortion. Importantly, the tweeter on the SM-5 has been specifically engineered to eliminate the harshness and fatigue that can plague other metal dome designs. We've developed a special geometry for this tweeter, which eliminates the ultrasonic, high Q resonance typically found on other designs. This means that you get all the clarity and air out of the high end of the speaker without ever feeling overwhelmed by the highs, especially over long listening sessions. All of this is achieved via precision manufacturing. Not only does this allow us to build better moving parts like the transducers, but even stationary features of the loudspeaker like the waveguide benefit. The waveguide is totally seamless from the edge of the mid-range driver to the edge of the speaker cabinet. This results in highly accurate total sound power integration, which helps tremendously with high-end translation. On the back of the SM-5, you'll find a recessed input panel, which helps you get the speaker closer to walls or mounting hardware without the input cables sticking out. The SM-5 takes balanced analog input via TRS or XLR connectors. It also has AES EBU input and throughput via BNC connectors. Like all of Cali Audio's studio monitors, the SM-5 features boundary EQ settings to optimize the sound of the speaker to its position in your room with a few quick switches. We have settings for using the speaker on a console, on a desk, on speaker stands, and from various distances to walls. You've also got HF and LF trims, which allow you to adjust the level of the woofer and/or tweeter up or down by 2 dB to taste. You'll notice that the SM-5 has an Ethernet connector on the back, which is for control. On the front of the speaker, there's also a hidden USB port, which you can use for control as well. With either Ethernet or USB, you have access to 8 parametric EQs, delay, and trim per speaker from the Cali Control Panel app, which is available for both Windows and Mac OS. Using Ethernet, you can network all of the speakers in your system together and control them in real time. While networked, you have access to solo, mute, dim, and locate functions, and you can also change settings across your entire system at the press of a button. For less complicated setups, you can program EQs, delays, and trims to each speaker one by one using the USB port. The app will guide you through saving each speaker's settings to a USB drive. Plug the USB drive into the front of the speaker, and the speaker will blink to indicate that it's accepted your tuning. Plug the USB back into your computer, and we'll update the settings for your next speaker. Do this for every speaker in your system. In either online or offline mode, you can program up to 8 separate tunings for each speaker. Turn dip switch 4 on the back of the speaker up, and now you're using your tunings instead of Cali's boundary EQ tunings. This is especially useful for situations where the speakers may be used in different rooms and in different positions. You can mark each tuning with console tape and recall a calibrated tuning instantly when you put the speakers in place. There's a lot to dig into with the Cali Control Panel app. You can find a more in-depth tutorial in the link in the description of this video. The SM-5 has some quality of life features that make it a breeze to set up and use every day. The SM-5 is fully mountable, with mounting points on the top and bottom of the loudspeaker. We recommend mounting with Triad Orbit's mounting hardware. They make a specific mounting bracket for the SM-5 called the SM-KP1, and that's compatible with the rest of their robust mounting ecosystem. The SM-5 also has a multicolor LED to indicate the speaker's status. Using the trim wheel on the back, each click changes the speaker's level by 0.5 dB. Turn the wheel all the way clockwise and the speaker will blink white, indicating a level of +6 dB. Turn the wheel all the way counterclockwise and the LED will blink white again, this time indicating a level of -12 dB. The LED turns red to indicate that the limiter is engaged. If you see this, lower your playback level or you may harm the loudspeaker. The LED turns orange when the speaker is in standby mode. To bring the speaker out of standby mode, either hit it with Signal, or if the speaker is online, you can disable standby in the Kali Control Panel app. You can also manually bring the speaker in and out of standby mode using the capacitive touch logo over the woofer on the front of the speaker. Double tap the logo to put the speaker into standby mode. The LED will turn orange. While in standby mode, press and hold the logo, then tap one more time. The LED will turn blue and your speaker's back and ready to go. The LED has additional features that are covered in the user's manual. The SM-5 is Kali's best speaker yet. For critical mixing applications where every detail matters, it is exceptional. And with unparalleled imaging and ease of mounting, it's a natural choice for high-demand immersive applications. In addition to the SM-5, Project Santa Monica also includes a passive version, the SM-5C. And we're working on more sizes and other speakers for the lineup. The SM-5 is available now for $16.99 each in the United States. For more information, visit kaliaudio.com/Santa Monica. Thanks so much for watching.